Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you CBSE school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.iisjubail.org. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of International Indian School Jubail. In this main page menu available. In this menu one of the option administration. If you click this link you can get one option careers. So if we click this link careers, it will be redirected to the another page. So this is the careers. So advertisement, the post of teachers and IT assistant, 16th September 2021 they published the vacancies. So what are the vacancies? So if you click this link download, you can get this on PDF. International Indian School Al Jubail, they posted 16th 9 2021. So urgently required teaching and non-teaching staff on ad hoc basis. So what are the subject? Hindi, Science, EVS, Economics, English, SST, IT assistants. So these are the vacancies. The classes are there mentioned. Number of recruitment they are mentioned. So candidate for all posts will be considered on the basis of following. So what are the qualification and experience? For Economics, SST, English, class 10th to 12th, master degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks in aggregate in the following relevant subject with a minimum 3 years of experience in the teaching. So candidate with a B.Ed will be given preference. Hindi, Science, EVS, bachelor degree in the following relevant subject with experience B.Ed will be given preference. So note of the candidate they are mentioned. Apply afresh in the application form available in PDF format following the link along with the scanned copies of educational qualification and experience certificate in PDF format. You have to send your application form along with your educational qualification certificate and experience certificate. You have to convert one single PDF and send it to employment@iisjubail.org. So mention the post in the subject line of your email. So certificate and degrees must be attested by HRD, Government of India. Candidates should be fulfill MOE regulation. Incomplete application and application received after deadline will not be accepted. So application are accepted only online. So last date of submitting application is 21st September 2021 5 p.m. So shortlisted candidates should bring all their original certificate, original ICAMA along with a set of Xerox copies and a copy of passport of any day of interview for verification. So what are the appointment procedure? Screening test, written test, interview. So these are the things they are mentioned. So if you are in Jubail, you can apply as per the instructions. So what are the application form? This is International Indian School Jubail application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 10 sections in this application form. You will require to send your updated CV, educational certificate and experience certificate, maximum of 2 pages. So please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is your position applied for, position personal record, academic record, special skill and talent, work experience, any other relevant information. 2 references are mandatory. Finally, you can give a declaration. So this is the procedure. You have to send the job application form, International Indian School Jubail. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.iisjed.org/vacancies. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of International Indian School Jeddah. In this main page, vacancies are available, job openings. So here the local advertisement teachers position and local advertisement for vice principal, two vacancies are available. So first we can check what are the teachers position vacancies. So this is they posted 6th September 2021. The International Indian School Jeddah invite applications. So what are the subject? Arabic, Islamic studies, art and craft, Hindi, mathematics, social studies, science, Urdu and Tamil. So these are the vacancies. So eligibility criteria they are given. What are the essential qualification? Bachelor degree with at least 50% mark in teaching subject. Desirable knowledge of computer application. So make sure before applying please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, experience and job description, etc. So please check what are the skills they are expecting, what are the essential qualification, what is the desirable qualification. One by one you can check. So they are given one by one for different subject. So Hindi as a subject means 3 years at a graduation level. The science, botany, zoology and chemistry, B.Ed or equivalent degree from recognized university, proficiency in teaching English medium. For Urdu, master degree from recognized university with at least 50% mark in aggregate in the following subject. In Tamil also they are mentioned. B.Ed or equivalent degree from recognized university, proficiency in teaching English medium. So candidate having adequate teaching experience will be relaxed for B.Ed or teacher training certificate. So these are the vacancies for International Indian School Jeddah. There another one vacancies are International Indian School Jeddah recruitment notification for Vice Principal Academics. This is one of the CBSE affiliated school. You have to apply online mode. No other mode submission of application will not be accepted. The recruitment test and interview will be conducted through offline mode. So vice principal, the qualification and experience they are master degree from recognized university, at least 45% mark in aggregate, B.Ed or equivalent teaching certificate needed. Experience, person holding a vice principal experience, 6-year regular service in the grade. So pay scale they are mentioned for a principal. The last date of application is 31st October 2021. So before that you can submit your job application. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you did not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So candidates are required to upload the copy of qualifying degrees and the certificate of experience while applying online. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can click this link. Please click for applying online. This is International Indian School Jeddah online application form. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. There are only 8 sections in this application form. The first one is personal details, educational qualification, professional experience. Finally, you can upload your CV. Once you have uploaded, you can submit your job application form. So please verify the entries before submission. Multiple application will not be entertained. Please make sure that entries are made as per the passport. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.